Hello everyone, how are you? Before start our video, me introducing myself. My name is Catherine and I'm from 20 Science 2. Next, ingredients. Ingredients how to make a cappuccino instant coffee. 1 sachet cappuccino instant coffee, 1 sachet chocolate granule, and 400 milliliter hot water, and a tool, a cup, and a spoon. Next step. First, take ice cappuccino instant coffee and turn in, and pour cappuccino instant coffee to a cup. Second, pour a 1500 milliliter hot water into a cup. And next, mix a cappuccino instant coffee and hot water using a spoon. After that, add the chocolate granule, top of coffee, a white foam. Finally, cappuccino instant coffee and the chocolate granule ready to drink.